Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be putting together your drum head with your walls. So I have some pieces of tape torn off and ready because I don't want to get everything held together the way I want it and then I have to let it go. So I want to have my tape ready to go ahead and stick on there. I have these pieces. I also have, this is my knee, so y'all see I have some stuck on my pants leg, so I can just reach in and grab that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the drum head and I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of tape here sticking so it's actually facing backwards here, and I'm going to take the drum head here with the wall and I'm going to put this piece against the tape. But I think actually what would be better to have a few pieces of tape ready. So I'm sticking this on there, so the tape is essentially upside down. The sticky side is facing me, but you can see I've stuck it to the front of the drum head. So I'm going to get 2 or 3 pieces on there ready, and I'm going to take the wall, and you don't want to join it to the back of the circle. You want to put it up against the side of the circle. If it's up against there, it can't really go anywhere. If it's on the back of it, it can go all over the place. So I'm going to take this and stand this up, touching the tape there against the side of the circle, and I'm going to work the piece of cardboard around there. Then I can easily reach down with my free hand and I can move the tape so it's actually touching the side wall there and holding it in place. This gets me started, and then it'll actually get a lot easier to put on there. But you can see when I try to move this around, it doesn't really want to go anywhere because it is against the side of the circle, not on top of the circle. So that part's very important. Now what I can do is I can take the cardboard, press it so it's up against the circle, then reach down, get a piece of tape, and I can stick this in my next spot. So I'm going to put quite a bit of tape here. I want to tack this together. So as I'm tacking it together, you can see that the pieces of tape, they're only about 1 inch apart. If I turn it over, you can actually see as I'm joining it, I'm putting this against the wall and then pressing it against the drum head. So against the wall, then against the drum head. So I'm working my way around. I'm having to reach down and get tape off my pants, so I just bumped the camera here. So the problem now is, well, the cardboard wasn't long enough, so I told you you had to get some more ready. So I'm going to show you in the next clip how to join on that next piece.